What's up, guys? Welcome to Aarhus, Denmark. Yes, that is how you say it. I'd asked the lady at the front desk because I had no idea. I thought it was Aarhus, but it's Aarhus. Apparently the two A's together in Danish make a O sound or a U, so that is how you say it, Aarhus. This is my hotel here. Really nice views. Nice view out of that window. Nice view out of here. That building right there is a train station. I came here by train. Just almost a 3-hour train ride from Copenhagen. Very nice. I did have a first class seat, but still I think even the other seats would have been nice. I mean, the first class was really nice. Here's my hotel room here. Nice area. There's a door. There's me. There's a bathroom. I don't remember how much this place was off the top of my head, but I'll put it in the video so you guys know. But anyway, I'm excited to be here. I've never been here before, at least to Aarhus. I've been to Denmark, obviously, but never been to Aarhus. Honestly, had never even heard of it until like a week ago, so I have no idea what to expect, but I'm excited to explore this place.
Walking through the old town now. A nice kind of canal here. Here's some more modern times here. You see a 7-Eleven over there and Blockbuster Video. Like, that's not even modern anymore, but this is in like the past 20 years, I guess. Alright, so that was actually really cool. That is a museum, for those of you that don't know. It's a outdoor museum that basically just shows Danish civilization, Danish society throughout the years. Here's the thing they gave me when I first got there. But super cool. It was 160 Danish kroner for a ticket. And this is where it's at. In this building, and then you buy your ticket and you walk through to the open air museum. I say here in Aarhus, there's a lot of parks, which I really like. It almost feels this city is the second largest city in Denmark, but it doesn't really feel like a city. It kind of feels more like a town, which I also like. It's kind of funny when people get off work, you can see everybody riding their bicycles, which I really like. I think that's really cool. Yeah, yesterday when I was out walking around, I didn't have my camera with me, but when I was out walking around, once it hit like 4:05, you just saw the bicycle lane just filled with bicycles, with everyone getting off. Look at all these bicycles. And this is while people are still at work. But I love it. It's something that's really cool, part of Danish culture, bicycling. And it's big in the Netherlands as well. Look at this church. Look how big that is. Here at the docks area. Looks like a big shipping port over there. There's a lighthouse back there. Might be hard to see on the camera. So that is cinnamon, and in Denmark, it's a tradition that if you are 25 or 30 and still unmarried, they will put you against a pole and throw cinnamon on you. I actually didn't know if that was true or not, but I guess it is, because it smells like cinnamon, it looks like it. Alright guys, I'm back in my hotel. I got a shawarma here. I got this at a shawarma restaurant. These things are so good. This is the lamb one. I love these things. This was 99 kroner. I stopped at 7-Eleven and got this strawberry drink, whatever it is. This is 26 kroner. And then I have an apple here, which I got from my hotel lobby, which was free. And that's one of the nice things about this hotel is they have free snacks like apples, carrots, and they also have some cakes, free tea and coffee. So very nice of them to do that for us. So I'll put the prices up on the screen if I haven't already. Alright guys, I am back in my hotel and I'm going to go ahead and end the video here. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this tour of Aarhus, Denmark. I know I really enjoyed it. It was quite the nice city. So hopefully you guys enjoyed the video.
Look at that sunset too. Very nice sunset.
But anyway, hopefully you guys enjoyed the video, and stay tuned for the next one.